kami ng Boracay. Ako muna yung mawawalang pumunta and then sunod sila muna.
Happy anniversary! Late celebration! Ala, nakalimutan din. Kaya pala. Happy birthday, ate!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Picture. Hi guys, it's Michelle and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are here in Boracay. And today is December 9, 2024. And nag-book ako ng hotel and ng flight for the whole family. And it's their first time to go here in the Boracay. And look, when we arrive, happy birthday! Yeah, it's my birthday, guys. And sa kabila, it's my parents' wedding anniversary. So it's a double celebration because we didn't celebrate their wedding anniversary because I was in Belgium that time. So come with us, guys, as we go around here Boracay and celebrate and explore Boracay while I'm still here in the Philippines. Bye, guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! So, we are in Boracay. My sister. It's our first day and night. And we have 4 days left. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Hi guys! So, we are now in front of the beach. Swimming time! Ayun sila. Ayun. Swimming time! Yay! Yay! Dahil mainit because it's hot in some hot Boracay. Hi guys! Ay, tawag niya ko yan! Airplane nga eh. Airplane nga. Uy! Bakit mo? Super OA. Ay, syempre, hanapin. Hi guys. So, we're going to sleep now. And tomorrow we will have island hopping. Good morning. Hello. Say hi sa mga fans mo. Hi. Ay, ang feeling naman. Ay, tingin. Uy! Go, Chloe. Chloe, kinakabahan ka ba? Bakit? Kalma, kalma. Hawak, Chloe.
Mahirap pala talaga dun.
Oh, kamusta?
Okay lang, enjoy. Harry Chloe. Ano ba tulak? So kung pinol na magano.